Today I'm going to be cooking some St. Louis style pork spare ribs. So yeah, we're cooking those in the Pro Q. Let's get at it. So these are from Westmeats, Wichita ribs. A lot of people like the Swiss ribs. I actually prefer the Wichita ones. Because I need to fit these in the Pro Q, I'm going to have to cut them in half and do them as sort of 2 mini racks. Trim a bit of this rubbish off as well. Again with the CW Works knife. Various schools of thought about membrane and leave membrane on, take membrane off. I leave it on because I'm lazy. So again, we're going with a bit of the old Miracle Rub. A bit on, just to put a bit of flavour on them really. I know they say fat's flavour, but something like that's not very nice to eat. A sprinkling of the old Miracle Rub. So we'll just let that soak in for a bit now. So now we're going to go on with just a light dusting of the old Rum & Q soft cock. They recommend it for fish, chicken and pork. I'm really sort of trying to not overdo it here with the rub. So now we'll just lift that top off. Bone side down to start. Just have to watch the temperature. Now we're showing 250, but we know that's about 275, 280. We can see now going in the door, there's our lovely ribs. Okay, so it's come to that time to give the ribs a little poke. They're looking pretty good, got a pretty good colour on them. Oh yeah, they're probing lovely. Now the ribs are probing perfectly, so I shall go and get some foil and we'll get them wrapped. The reason I put the paper on and the foil is to stop the foil from ripping. Just starting to pull back nicely. So they'll go back on now for another 2 hours. The wrapping in paper has kept a load of moisture in.
How's it look at big side?
Well, I've got the ribs here.
Yes, good.
And I'm about to
okay, do what you have to.
Do the ribs. Oh yeah. I think they could be the best I've ever produced. Second half of the rack is slightly more well done, I'd say. Holy shirt.
It does smell divine, I must admit.
So Goldie, what do you think? These ribs look okay?
I think they will pass muster.
So there we go, ribs are on.